fight like Al-Qaeda. 10 rappers standing in a cipher, amplifiers. Cops want them gone, don't turn them off. The block wants them on. Kill music, you're killing hope. I know some common folk that are willing to vote and swear under oath that the feeling is dope. If you ain't feeling it, be willing to cope. Look at the facts, truth be told. Revolutionaries, what do we know? Everything is crazy, so CeeLo. All the good music is on the D-Low. So we go hit the John Lennon studio. At 2:30 I'm booked to shoot a video. When everybody in town is so witty, I gotta go hard, gotta save my city. Tomorrow, right now, Charlotte is at a crossroad. No more outdoor acoustics. Charlotte, please don't turn down the music. Queen Charlotte is turning out laws. Politicians don't want it outdoors. Take a stand, we can do it. Create a movement. Music is love, music no illusion. They will try to turn us down, but we'll fight to make us sound. They will try to turn us down, but we'll fight to make us sound.
Walking through bland blocks of newsprint colored prints, a city of royalty being checked by knights that decree no music here. But none of them are here to hear a baby boom generation of those that are deaf, dumb, and mute to opposition. But our souls have thunder. Lightning strikes spirits, rain shower music. Flash flood, wash away the weary and fill in with scarlet singing. Rosy raps, purple pop, man, color by number. Finger paint, fill in the empty colors to our streets. Now